Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do a recap. So this morning I traded AMD. It took me a while to get into my first trade. I decided to wait 15 minutes after the open like I used to. I've just been, I just really do not like trading early in the morning. It's more scalping to me, and I'd really rather wait later in the day to get a good reversal. I find that I am way more accurate at spotting those than opening range breakouts these days. Like some months I'm really good at opening range breakouts, and some months I'm better at reversals, and this so happens to be I'm better at reversals right now. So anyhow, I noticed AMD, well, actually it was called out in the chat to watch for a reversal. And it wasn't until this 15-minute indecision candle right here that, right here, that made me start really watching it. It put in a really nice double bottom on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. And I did have this level marked right here from the daily, and it rejected off that really nicely. As you can see, when it came down on this this first bottom, the volume came in. It came back up, tested these moving averages, came back down, couldn't quite make it down as low as the first bottom, and then it started making higher highs, higher lows, and the 9 and the 20 started curling up, 50 started coming down to meet it. Again, on the 5 minute, started making higher highs, and it was following this 15-minute doji. So all of those things helped me decide to go long. My first partial was taken at this this level that I had marked from the daily. My second partial was taken at VWAP. My third was taken at a level that was a resistance level from earlier that morning, and I actually partialed out majority of my position there, and then I needed to leave. So I placed a range order, and right here was where I exited majority of my position. So my final exit of my position was either going to be when it made a new 15-minute low or this previous day high. And as you can see right here, it came down, barely stopped me out, and then, well, actually it did come down underneath and made a new 15-minute low, and then went up and did make it to that level. But that was it. That was my AMD trade today. I hope you all had a great day, and don't forget, tomorrow Andrew is going to be live on YouTube. He is going to be sharing with us trading momentum at the open, a scalper's guide to 1 minute opening range breakouts. It's going to be a great event. I'll put the link at the bottom of this video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.